Happy birthday, Angry Grandpa. You would have been 67 years old. I mean 72. Michael does not drive, only Bridget. Only. Their children are named Mia and Mikey. His real name is Charles Robert Green. Angry Grandpa was born on Monday, October 16th, 1950, and he died December 10th, 2017, at the age of 67.
Sailing a great river past extraordinary landscapes into the heart of iconic cities.
Michael Robert Green was born on Tuesday, June 2nd, 1987, and Bridget West, Wednesday, August 25th, 1993. They met on Sunday, November 16th, 2008. This is why it's making me sneeze. Because my mom is making chicken pot pie. It's not pepper, it's not pasta, it's not Q-tip. It's just this stupid Chhinkni powder.